Hi everybody. I have a sample kit for all you professional light installers. Now the sample kit that I have here are these products that are laying out in front of here. These products includes a very light, which is a IP65 rated, all these thing here. 6-inch spacings between lights. We sell in a set of 50 feet cords, but this set itself is a 15 feet, which is the sample for you. The power connector or the power cord. We got the 3-way splitter. You got the Y, the T, the coaxial connectors. All the products here are UL certified. You can see it's a UL certified. Now, coming down here, you got the socket wire, which is for the C9 light bulbs, which this socket itself is a C17 size. You got the SP1 wired, the slide plugs. You got the male and the females. You got the C9 lights. These are all the standard lights that we have. The whites, you see 2 whites here, which is one warm or one cool light. Now these are most of the standard colors that are out there. These 3 are the special color that most sellers do not have, and we have this for you here also as a sample. But I want to let you also know that the light bulbs that are in this C9 lights, they are the same color as the outside coating, which makes it gives it a much more clear and brighter color, a more rich color than the regular ones that are out there. Now going down the list, we have the clips. Now we have the Paraset, all-in-one, the clay, magnetic, surface, and the end plugs. Okay, these are all the clips that we have, and you can also look at the quality that we have. And then we have the 7-inch sticks. Now again, if you need any special size, any special length, any special colors, just contact us. And if you need a set as soon as possible, just contact us. Whatever you need, we're always here for you.